Do you want to know some quick and inexpensive ways to make a hand washing station when you're up camping? Well, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. So whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So we're up in the mountains today, it's beautiful, and I'm going to show you 6 easy ways to make a quick hand washing station. So stick around to the end of this video where I'll give you my awesome bonus tip. Okay, so here are the 6. You know, pair them with some paper towels, some hand soap, and some sanitizer, and you've got your own hand washing station. So let's talk about each one real quick. Okay, so let's start out with one of the most obvious, drink cooler. Now, one thing that's nice about this is, it's 5 gallons, so there's a lot of water, but you can not only use it for a hand washing station, but you can use the cold water for drinking. The only disadvantage is that you have to hold the spout as you're washing your hands. So, a little bit trickier, but it still works great. Okay, the next one is a plain old drink dispenser. Pretty obvious, right? Now, when we go up camping, we usually fill this one with punch, but for today it's filled with water, and once again, it works for 2 things. You can get yourself a cup of ice cold water, or you can wash your hands. The thing I like about this is when you go to wash your hands, the spout stays up and open, so you can wash your hands a little bit more easy. This next one is so great because it's just an all-in-one solution. I picked this jug of water up at the grocery store for around $3. So it's like grab and go, and it comes with this handy dispenser. Makes it so easy. Okay, this next one is kind of a do-it-yourself solution. That's what makes it really fun. You just take an empty laundry detergent container, rinse it out real good, and I've just taken a bungee cord and a paper towel holder, and there you go. Makes for a quick all-in-one solution. The one thing with this though is you wouldn't want to also use it for drinking water because you're always going to have residual detergent in there. So not good, but great for washing your hands. This next one is such a fun, easy solution. It's just a plain jug of drinking water, and I buy these all the time at the dollar store. What we did is just drilled a simple hole in the kind of at the bottom of the container, and the reason that the water's not coming out right now is that gravity's effect on the water creates a vacuum. So it's not until you release the lid that the water flows out, so you have a great hand washing station. And then when you're done, go ahead and close up the lid, and voila, the water's stopped. Perfect for camping. And then for the last one, this is kind of the same as the one before, but hey, it's all about just giving you some different ideas as to what will work. And so if you have an old milk jug carton at home, dump it out, rinse it out, or these also come with water. I just took a screw and screwed a hole in and left that in so the water would stay in during travel. Go ahead and just take that screw out, loosen the top of the milk jug, and you've got yourself your homemade washing station. When you're ready to turn it off, just close the lid on the milk carton and it stops. And now for my bonus tip of the day, just take a regular old plastic hanger and cut about 4 inches out of the middle. You know, with a sharp knife or maybe a handsaw, just be real careful when you're doing that. And go ahead and thread your paper towel through it, and you've got a handy holder that you can hang anywhere throughout your camp. On your trailer, on your picnic table, or on a tree. Today we're just going to use this barbecue. Works great. So thanks for joining me today. I hope maybe I've either inspired you or given you some ideas of how you could make your own hand washing station when you're up camping. If you've liked this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.